equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin with, ensure you have your PS5 and all necessary tools at hand. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a soft cloth, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Start by turning off your console and unplugging all cables. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any damage to the device. Next, carefully remove the screws located at the back of the PS5. There are a total of 8 screws, so keep track of them as you remove them. It's advisable to use a magnetic tray to avoid losing any screws. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover off the console. This will expose the internal components, which may need cleaning or inspection. If you notice any dust buildup, use the soft cloth and isopropyl alcohol to clean the internal parts. Be cautious around the fan and other sensitive components. A clean console can significantly improve performance and longevity. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. After cleaning, check for any visible damage or loose connections. If everything looks good, it's time to reassemble your PS5. Replace the cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure each screw is tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening as this can cause damage. Now, plug your console back in and turn it on. If it powers up without issues, congratulations! You've successfully maintained your PS5. However, if you encounter any problems, it may be time to consider a warranty claim. Before proceeding, remember that we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. This means you can find out what's wrong without any commitment to repair. To initiate a warranty claim, gather all necessary documentation, including your purchase receipt and any previous repair records. Contact the retailer or manufacturer to start the process. They may ask you to describe the issue in detail, so be prepared to explain what you've experienced. If you prefer not to deal with the hassle of calls or travel, our service offers no calls, no travel options. We can handle everything for you, ensuring a smooth experience. Once your claim is approved, you'll receive instructions on how to send your PS5 for repair. Before sending it off, ensure you have a quote before repair. This will give you an idea of any potential costs involved, should your warranty not cover the issue. It's always best to be informed before proceeding with repairs. In summary, maintaining your PS5 is essential for its longevity. Regular cleaning and careful handling can prevent many common issues. If you ever find yourself in need of assistance, remember that we are here to help with our convenient services, ensuring you get back to gaming as soon as possible. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.